Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add watermark on Filmora application. To add a watermark to your video using Filmora application is a straightforward process, so here is a step-by-step guide to help you. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded and installed Filmora application, and then once you've done that, open up the app. After you open up the application, click on the New Project button from the screen. Go ahead and pick a video you want to add a watermark to from your device's gallery. After you select a video, click on the Import button at the bottom right corner. Wait for the video to be imported. After you import the video to your edit page, you will need to import the watermark, which can be an image or text, from your device's gallery again. Tap the plus button right next to the video timeline and select your watermark image, text, any graphic files or logo. Here I already have prepared a logo for myself, so let me click on it. After you select a logo or the file you would like to use as a watermark, click on Import at the bottom right corner. After you do that, it'll appear on the timeline. Tap on the image to select it, and you can also resize or reposition it. You can choose to place your watermark in the beginning or at the end of the video clip if the watermark is an image. If you want to add a text as a watermark, then there is a different way to do that. Go ahead and click on text at the bottom from the timeline. Click on the T plus or the add option at the bottom and type in your watermark text on the screen. After you are done typing in your text logo, adjust it in the correct position. You can pinch to resize and drag to position your watermark and place it on your desired location. You can also edit your watermark by selecting the style, font, and animation for your watermark. And also, make sure that the watermark image or text covers the entire video. Simply adjust the length of the watermark clip in the timeline to match the length of the video. After you cover your video with the watermark for the entire time duration, you will be able to add watermark on a video using Filmora. After you are done with it and you are happy with your result, click on Export at the top right corner and follow the export process. So there you have it. That is how you can easily add watermark on Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.